A 30-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from this digging is evenly spread out to form a platform of size 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So easy. It's based on 3D mensuration. So easy question. So we have a cylinder shape transformed to a cuboid. That's it. So one basic funda is both the volumes are equal. Volume of the cylinder will be equal to the volume of the cuboid. That's it. So we'll note it. Volume of the cylinder is equal to the volume of cuboid. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into r square. What is r? R is going to be the radius. Here diameter is 7 meter. So radius should be 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h. What about the h? 30 meter deep. So height is 30 meters. So 30. This should be equal to, because this is what is, this content is what is spread as a cuboid. Right hand side, the cuboid's volume. The length and breadth are given 22 by 14. We need to find the height. So volume of cuboid is going to be length into breadth into height. That's going to be 22 into 14 into height we have to find. That's all. So h is the only variable. We have all the other things properly set. Solving for h, we get the answer. Okay, first and foremost thing, I can cut this 22s both the sides. 1 7 can be cut. Then we can have this 7 and this 14. This is exactly 2 times. And then we can have this 2 and 30. 15 times. That's all. No other things could be cancelled. So we'll have h is equal to, here we have 15 by 2 and this 2 also comes 4. 15 by 2 2s are 4. So h should be equal to 15 by 4. 15 by 4 is going to be 3.75 meter. So 3.75 meter is at option B. Good. You check this. Yeah, option B, 3.75 meter is the right answer.